Find max since condition in pandas time series data frame. I'm trying to find the max since condition was true in a pandas data frame. I've searched for similar questions and read the documentation but haven't been able to find this problem discussed. To illustrate, I want a function that will return the max since column below. I'm having trouble calculating this without resorting to looping. What would be the most efficient way? Thanks.
How about? This works because gives us a new value whenever we see a true. You might have to patch it a bit depending on what you want to happen when the first value is false, but I'll leave that as an exercise for the reader.
If you want to see more, please ensure to subscribe.